Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, I'm going to set up multiple output audio on your Samsung TV. So of course you'll need one additional headphones because of course with this you'll be able to use the Samsung TV's speakers along with a headset. Great if one person has hearing impairments, meaning you can enjoy TV volume at your level while the other person uses the volume at their level. All right, so once you have any Bluetooth headphone, or you could even set it up with a Bluetooth speaker, what you want to do here is follow along. So get your remote. All right, so we're going to set up this. So we're going to go to settings. Then we're going to go to all settings. All right, let me adjust this a bit. All right, so we have adjusted. So what you want to do here is you're going to go down to general and privacy. Then you're going to go to accessibility. Then once you're in accessibility, should be somewhere around here if I'm remembering. All right, so here we go. So it says multiple audio output. All right, so we're going to go multi-audio output. All right, so what we want to do from here is turn on the feature. So I'm going to use my JBLs. Doesn't matter what they are. Put it in pairing mode or the speaker in pairing mode. So we're going to press on hold while the speaker is powered off. It's going to blink. All right, I messed that up. Forgive me. So I'm going to press on hold. So press on hold while it's off. You're going to press on hold. Do not let go, as I just did earlier. Keep pressing. Count to about 10. Let go, and it should blink, meaning this is in pairing mode. Likewise, each speaker is different. Our Bluetooth headset, this is in pairing mode as well. All right, we're going to turn on the feature with the remote. And right away, you can see S7-1, that's my Bluetooth speaker, which is already paired, and my XO8, which is paired, and my JBLs, which is paired. So I'm going to pair the JBLs, which is these. All right, so we're going to pair. So I'm going to say connect. So it says connecting, and it says is connected. And it's true because you can see the light is now solid. I'm going to hit OK. All right. And all we got to do is close. Now, if you want to turn the feature off, you can come back here later on and turn it off. We're going to go home. And all you got to do now is play any music, watch YouTube or whatever it is. All right, guys, so I just tested it. Don't want to get a copyright strike, so I don't have any copyright-free audio to test to let you hear. But of course, what would happen is that the TV's speakers are playing and the headphones are also playing the same thing simultaneously. So a person with hearing complications, you can enjoy the same media, so they can listen through their headsets and adjust the volume the way they want. While of course you can go ahead as well and enjoy at your level from the TV. All right, so it's a popular feature, and of course it can be used in specific situations that you need such a feature. I hope that was helpful, and let me show you how to turn it off. Let's say you don't want the feature anymore. You're going to navigate again back to your settings. All right, so give me a second. All right, as I was saying, sorry about the music just now. And you're going to go back to general, privacy, accessibility. And under accessibility, search for the option again, which is multiple output audio. Tap or select, then simply turn it off here. Notice I've turned it off, and close. All right, go back, enable it as you need it. All right, so that's it, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.